Hi guys, this is John here. In this session, we will look at the practical aspect of R&D, which is research and development, and entering this information on the Entrepreneurship platform for our company that we are creating, which is called Enabler. Okay guys? So in the previous section, we looked at competition, and the next step here is now specifying the R&D cost. So the first question you have to ask is, are you going to do R&D? Yes or no? If you click on no, then there is no information to be put in here. But we are assuming in our company, Enabler, that yes, we are going to provide R&D. So we are going to click on yes. Now we are going to hire 2 engineers. So we are going to hire 2 engineers. The first engineer will be Manohar Desai, and his monthly salary will be 25,000 rupees. The second employee I'm hiring is Swapnil, and his salary is again 25,000 rupees. You can decide what salary you want to give your engineer, but I'm just showing you how your cost starts getting calculated. Okay guys, so we need Manohar and Swapnil at 25,000 rupees. If you want to add a new employee, just click on the plus sign here and enter their information. Now the next question about R&D that we need to ask is, how long do we need them for? Because if you remember in the previous lecture, I had discussed in terms of what is the process of R&D and how the R&D cost is calculated. So here we are assuming for 4 months, we will need Swapnil and Manohar. So they will be working on 4 months for the product. So once you enter this information, click on Save and Next. Okay. So this was a short practical session on how to enter the R&D information here on Entrepreneurship. Now, in case you want to go back to any section, you can go up and click on, let's say, competition or customer here. So you can click on any of these sections instead of clicking previous again and again. So let me say, for example, if I click on competition, it takes me right back to the competition stage. So you can go back for answers that you have already given, but in case you've not given answers in the future sections, it will not allow you. It will say you cannot navigate to a future question. This is just a quick feature I wanted to show you on Entrepreneurship. So let's go back to R&D that we've already done. And then we will come to our cost of making the product. Now this I will cover in the next lecture. We will go through the different aspects of labor and material, which I will explain to you first in theory, and then we will look at it from a practical aspect. Okay guys, I hope this practical session was clear for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next session. Thank you.